In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The 19th cabinet meeting of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, held and chaired by the Prime Minister. The Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs emphasizes on the significant growth of Afghanistan's pharmaceutical industry. And Russia and China announce mutual support for safeguarding national sovereignty. Welcome to our news package. It's Tuesday, the 2nd of Zulhijjah al-Haram, 1447, the 29th of Sur, 1405, and the 19th of May, 2026. The news details. The 19th meeting of the Cabinet of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan was held under the chairmanship of Mullah Muhammad Hassan Ahund, the Prime Minister. Based on the General Directorate of Administrative Affairs, the meeting discussed the pricing of state-owned lands, the acquisition of private lands along the route of the second phase of Aghina and Khul railway projects, as well as the distribution of land to the returning migrant refugees. Mullah Abdul Ghani Brother Ahund, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, stated during the inauguration ceremony of Abu Ali Sina Balkhi International Exhibition that the recent reduction in medicine imports has within a short period led to significant growth in Afghanistan's pharmaceutical industry. In accordance with the Deputy Prime Minister, domestic pharmaceutical factories have been strengthened and local produced medicine are increasingly replacing imported products in the market. The news continuation. Maulavi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, held an online meeting with executive members, donors, and board officials of the Polio Legacy Challenge PLC. The ministry stated that both sides discussed strengthening joint health cooperation and addressing the existing challenges within Afghanistan's health sector. According to the ministry, PLC members also reaffirmed their commitment to continuing cooperation with Ministry of Public Health and supporting Afghanistan's healthcare programs. And ultimately, Russian President Vladimir Putin stated that Russia and China are prepared to support one another in various sectors, including the protection of national unity and state sovereignty. In a video message ahead of his visit to China, President Putin stated that relations between Moscow and Beijing have reached an unprecedented level of mutual understanding and trust. According to Reuters, Putin is scheduled to meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping on Wednesday to discuss the expansion of bilateral cooperation. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.